How to turn off professional mode on Facebook. First of all, go ahead and open up the Facebook application on your phone. As you can see, you are now in the Facebook homepage where you can view pages and friends' posts. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap Menu. Go to your profile at the top. Here, tap on the three dots beside Advertise. Scroll down and tap on Turn Professional Mode Off. Tap on Continue. Then, tap on Turn Off to confirm. When you turn off professional mode, you will no longer have access to professional dashboard or any professional mode tools and many more. You have now successfully turned off professional mode. Go back to your profile and refresh the page. As you can see, you will no longer find the professional dashboard button here. Following these steps, you can easily turn off professional mode on Facebook. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.